Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on episode 2 of the car flipping series with the 330 Ci. We've just got the car license, so we're able to drive around legally. We're gonna hit a cruise now to Woodmead to get our parts for this car. We're gonna be doing the service on this car today, so guys stay tuned and let's go. So guys, we've just arrived at Woodmead Midas, so let's go inside and take a look. So guys, we're out here at Woodmead Midas. We've hooked us up with all the service parts we need for the 330 Ci. We've got new oil, we've got new plugs, we're even doing the tappet cover gasket. So yeah, so if you guys need any parts for your BMs, please hit them up. They've always got the most competitive prices. So yeah, so let's head back to Boksburg and service this car. Sure. So guys, we're here with NK from Shumi Automotive. They're going to be carrying out the service on the 330 today. So yeah, NK is a huge fan of E46s. He says he loves E330s and all of that. So yeah. Bro, don't you want to tell us about these cars, common issues with these motors that we should look out for?
Alright, what's up guys? This is NK from Shumi Automotive. So usually with the M54, the common problem is the tappet cover gaskets. It usually leaks on the exhaust side where you've got the branches. And then if you don't service your engine in time, you usually have a problem where it breaks the chain guides or the vanos gets stuck. So once the oil makes sludge and then the vanos doesn't work properly. So that's the common problem, and then it causes big problems. Maybe even the chain might jump and bend all the valves in your engine.
So guys, moral of the story, make sure you service your car. Call these guys, let them come out to you, they'll service your car at your house. Yeah, that's the best pleasure.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah,
we're based in Springs and we do call-outs all over the East Rand. So anywhere in the East Rand we do call-outs.
Sweet. So you want to tell us what we're doing on this car today, bro?
So we're doing a oil service on the car, and then we also change the tappet cover gaskets.
Main thing.
Yeah.
I was just leaking about the isn't it?
Yeah, yours is leaking on the exhaust, just like I said. Common problem with these motors.
So cool. Yeah, we're gonna open up the top, the tappet cover. We'll show you guys more or less where it's leaking from. But yeah, let's get into it.
Alright, let's go.
How often should you change your oil bags?
No contacts.
Contacts don't check.
They don't give you issues.
They won't.
They only give you issues when you go aftermarket. And then the wiring's got problems, that's where you get the issues with contacts.
Would you say this car was serviced regularly?
Yeah, it seems like it's serviced regularly because the oil doesn't seem sludgy or anything. Just dark.
Just dark.
Yeah.
If it's dark, it's just old.
Yeah, it's just old. The motor looks very nice. It looks clean. Looks like it's been serviced throughout.
In service.
Yeah.
Okay, how can you tell?
By the color of the rockers. So they clean. They're almost going to golden brown. So that's the same color as what the oil is usually.
Oh, okay, okay. Cool. And you say the M54s are all double vanos. That's
Yeah, all M54s are double vanos. You don't have single vanos.
So
Single
how-
vanos is the M52.
so how are you able to tell if it's single vanos or double vanos?
The tapered cover usually shows you because the single vanos has got the vanos on just the one side, and then the tapered cover has a bend on the one side,
Oh.
and then the non-vanos is shorter than the double vanos. That's your
Okay.
M50s.
Sure.
So the double vanos is longer and it's got a different tapered cover.
So guys, the car's now serviced. It's been a long day, no more oil leaks, so that's a positive. So yeah, so for now guys, we're just gonna cruise. After a long day of servicing this car, there's only one right thing to do. I'm sure you guys already know what it is. It's time to go topless. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.